RK Auto Detailing. So I'm here in the house and got back from being out on the road. This showed up today. I'll just do a quick unboxing, see what we're getting ourselves into. Dealer quick start guide. This is easy to read manual, provides you with the basic product, program, and policy information needed to kickstart your dealership and begin funding your passion. So, like I said, I have no idea. So there's a lot of this I got to go through. I just want to do an unboxing today. I'm on vacation this week. Right after I get some yard work done here at home, but I'm gonna go through this, and as I learn more, I'll share it with y'all. Let's see, the PI, I've used this stuff before. Very good stuff. Use it in my daily driver, and then I usually put a can in the spring and fall in my truck that sits mainly. Metal protection, I actually have an older version of this. Still have it. Very good. Good for raw metal or steel. You want to just spray that on so you don't get that rust. Treatment stabilizer, this would be good for lawnmowers, stuff that you would winterize and set for a period of time. The Saber, that's the 2-cycle oil. I already used that. I have a quart jug out in the garage. So I've been using their products nearly 9 years now, and exclusively on all my personal. And the 2-stroke works really well. It doesn't gum up and get, especially when it sits for a period of time, it doesn't get that gummy feeling. So that, another thing of Saber. Making money with Amsoil. So that's what this is all about. And if you follow me on my other channel, Self-Educated Entrepreneur, that's what it's all about, is getting into business, being an entrepreneur, right along with the detailing, the YouTube channels, my wholesale business, and coming soon, the power washing business. So I'm going to go through this stuff, bringing the camera with me. I'm planning on putting out more videos on the SEE channel, Self-Educated, and there will be another video to drop with that the red Audi. That should be coming to you Sunday morning. So until next time, folks, Rod at RK Auto Detailing.